Hey everybody, welcome to another video. It is a lovely rainy day here in Florida, and I just wanted to do a quick update video on the Pruvio dash cam. Just wanted to see what the record button does, as I had a comment recently, and just wanted to see what it does. Well, now what I think it does is you'll press the button when you get into an accident, and it'll lock the file of the current video so that if it does perhaps get to the point where it's going to be overwritten, it won't be overwritten, and that specific file will be locked. So you see this time is it's November 12th 2018 at 12:45, and it's about 57 seconds into the file, so I'm going to go ahead and hit record. Okay, and you'll see that it just beeped up here, and honestly, on this, it looks like it just stopped it. So let's try that again. Okay, so all that did was it stopped it. So there's nothing really that it does. You have your menu button here, and if you hit record again, see it just stops. And then we can go to our menu, and you can go to the different things on here. Huh, all right. So now we know what it does. All right, so we hit menu again, and you have your camera here. So let's see. All right. So that goes through the different cameras, and then hit record. Okay, so in some dash cams, I think that does lock the file, but on this one specifically, all it does is actually stop the recording and continue the recording. So there's no lock option or anything like that on there. So anyways, thank you for watching. Just wanted to give that quick update, and thank you for the comment. And if you have any questions or anything, feel free to give me a comment on this video or the previous videos. Have a great day.